Zero processed sugar for over 20 years. Mick Jagger, a rock legend, maintains an incredible level of fitness. He has lived an almost entirely sugar free life since his mid 50s, a decision made to keep his energy levels high and consistent for his demanding career. This man celebrated his 80th birthday in 2023, yet still performs with the vigor of someone several decades younger. His commitment to health goes far beyond just cutting out sweet treats. He follows a strict daily routine. It involves 2 hours of intense exercise for 6, sometimes even 7 days a week. That is 14 hours of training every single week. Many people half his age cannot sustain such a demanding schedule. His fitness regimen is varied and rigorous. It includes elements like ballet to improve flexibility and core strength. He also practices yoga a couple of times weekly for balance and mental clarity. Pilates is another key component, targeting deep muscle groups and posture. Running is a major part of his cardio. He runs for up to 8 miles at a time. This keeps his heart strong and his stamina legendary. Kickboxing adds an anaerobic element, improving agility and power. He even does swimming sessions for low impact cardiovascular benefits. These diverse activities ensure his entire body is conditioned. The Rolling Stones formed in 1962. That means Mick Jagger has been fronting one of the biggest bands in the world for over 6 decades. Sustaining such a long career at a peak performance level is almost unheard of. This longevity is directly linked to his disciplined lifestyle. His diet complements his training perfectly. He eats a diet rich in lean proteins like chicken and fish. Vegetables are a staple, occupying a large portion of his plate at every meal. Whole grains provide sustained energy without the sugar crash. He avoids anything processed, no fast food, no sugary drinks, no refined carbohydrates. This dedication to nutrition and exercise is not just about looking good, it is about being able to deliver electrifying performances night after night. On stage, he can cover up to 10 miles during a single 2 hour show. Think about that. 10 miles of running, jumping, and dancing, all while singing live to tens of thousands of people. He moves constantly. His stage presence is truly athletic. Many younger musicians would struggle to match his stamina. His lean physique is a testament to years of careful eating and consistent workouts. He reportedly has a very low body fat percentage, sometimes said to be around 10 or 12%. This is exceptional for any age. His morning routine usually starts with a good stretch, then a cardio session. After a healthy breakfast, often oatmeal with berries and a protein shake, he might do resistance training or one of his specialized classes. He does not just train his body, he trains his voice too. Vocal exercises are part of his daily discipline. He needs to protect his instrument just like an athlete protects their muscles. The mental fortitude required for this kind of consistency is immense. It is not just about physical strength, it is about willpower. He travels constantly on tour. This means adapting his routine to different hotels and time zones, yet he never skips a workout. He finds a gym, he finds a space for yoga, he brings his running shoes everywhere. This unwavering commitment is what separates a good performer from a truly legendary one. When on tour, the physical demands are extreme. Shows happen every few nights, sometimes back to back. Travel between cities adds to the fatigue, but he always appears refreshed and ready. His energy during shows is famous. He works the entire stage, from one end to the other, interacting with the crowd. He uses every inch of the performance space. This requires incredible lung capacity and muscular endurance. He is a master of pace, knowing when to sprint and when to hold back slightly to conserve energy. Even during instrumentals, he might still be moving across the stage or doing his signature dance moves. The amount of sweat he expends in a single performance is significant. Rehydration is key after every show. His healthy habits are well documented by people who have worked with him, his personal trainers, his dietitians. They all speak of his intense focus. He treats his body like a high performance vehicle. It needs the right fuel, it needs constant maintenance. He has avoided many of the pitfalls common in the rock and roll lifestyle. While others indulged in excess, he focused on longevity. This foresight has paid off handsomely. He continues to sell out stadiums globally. His voice still powerful, his moves still iconic. It is astonishing to consider he has been a global superstar for over 60 years. The band has released 25 studio albums. They've embarked on dozens of world tours, each one involving hundreds of performances. The physical toll of such a career should have ended long ago for someone who did not prioritize their health. But Mick Jagger did. He chose discipline over indulgence. He chose a long career over a short, explosive one. He knew early on that to be at the top for so long required a different path. His sugar abstinence is a major factor in his sustained health. Sugar contributes to inflammation. It causes energy spikes and crashes. Removing it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This means consistent energy throughout the day and during performances. It also aids in weight management and reduces the risk of many age related diseases. For him, it was a game changer, a complete overhaul of his dietary approach. This decision alone shows his forward thinking. It was not a temporary diet trend, it was a permanent lifestyle choice. He inspires millions with his enduring vitality. Many athletes half his age do not possess his level of endurance. His example proves that age is truly just a number when it comes to peak physical condition. It is all about how you treat your body, how you fuel it, and how consistently you challenge it. His life is a testament to the power of unwavering dedication to health. No shortcuts, just hard work and smart choices, day after day, decade after decade.